philosophy of a motorcyclist is a worldview that defines his attitude to life and the environment. It is based on the understanding that a motorcycle is not only a means of transportation, but also a symbol of freedom, independence, and adventure. The philosophy of a motorcyclist is to enjoy life and not be afraid to take risks. He believes that life is too short to spend it on boring and monotonous things, and that every day should be filled with vivid emotions and adventures. A motorcyclist is not afraid to break rules and laws if it is necessary to achieve his goals. He believes that freedom of choice and action is the main right of every person. In addition, the philosophy of a motorcyclist includes respect for other road users and the environment. He understands that everyone has the right to life and freedom of movement, and that environmental pollution is a serious problem that needs to be solved together. In general, the philosophy of a motorcyclist is based on the idea that life should be bright, eventful, and full of adventures. He strives to make every day new and unforgettable, and is not afraid to take risks to achieve his goals. The love of motorcycles is a strong feeling that can capture a person and change his life. This is not only a hobby, but also a lifestyle that requires a lot of effort, patience, and perseverance from a person. Motorcycles are not only a means of transportation, but also a symbol of freedom, independence, and courage. They allow a person to feel his strength, speed, and power, as well as to feel unity with nature. For many people, motorcycles are becoming not just a hobby, but a way of life. They race, travel long distances, travel all over the world, and just enjoy the speed and beauty of their iron horses. However, the love of motorcycles has its risks. It is necessary to be careful and attentive on the road, monitor the technical condition of the motorcycle, and follow the rules of the road.